I shoot you 5 off that,
6.0,
I ain't got
man.
when I got put up.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's sweet. You feel me?
Yeah, man, in the works, man. Oh, they come in looking like this. Shout out to Temu for the stand. They were laughing at my $30 stand on Temu, but guess what? That motherfucker worked perfect. I think I ordered 3 more of them bitches, to be honest. I ain't bullshit. No, I ordered 2 more. But yeah, though, man. We make it look nice. What the man say on the we paint the cars?
What up?
We say bring it to me. We make it look nice. Make it look nice. Gonna pull this out. Yeah, YouTube, I ain't been here in a while, man, but I'm still getting it down, man. I make it look nice. Sound nice too.